Sani Bonani Ninjani, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is KZN Podcast, your podcast, my podcast, and everybody's podcast. Today we're speaking about Musam Selegu, the polygamist, and his son, who's also a polygamist. Umpumelelo Sibindi, Sibindi kanjani Sibinda uhlehli, you know. So we know this family from Yasemzumbe, from the reality show yakhona yakamSelegu. Ibizwa ngani reality yaMselegu? Hayibona ingqondo yami ihamba. Ingane sesithembini engampumelelo. Selegu and the wives kona lokho ke, but anyway. And lisindodana yakhe yokuqala le umpumelelo osanda kushadela uMabiyela, wasaze phela ngoba kusho wagana kusho uphinda benotirelo waseshiwa uVuyo Ncweni. Ake ugcoleke nje idarade zetheku ke osokeke uyindoda nje engaswelekala inkosi yami ebafazini mhlezi ekhona. So he's been doing well lately, and athola ama sponsorship emoto ezinye athi uzithengile ngathi une security company. Sizokhumbula ukuthi last year sometime wadubula wabulela umuntu kwaMselegu. According to them, but the person came to attack uMselegu, hence wambulala umuntu ngwambulala esekhaya kubo. Asazibona into kokweqiniso yini noma mhlambe nje babezama ukupusha i-storyline and ama views irreality ukuthi abantu babuke sharp, but akazaboshweke. Now not recently, just yesterday, the news of him being attacked are all over. So according to the sources, bathi ufikelwa abantu endlini yakhe eBhalito bazenza amaphoyisa nama security, base ke bangena mathi besebengenile bafike ke bamqoqa ke bathatha yonke into ongasicabange, according to them, imali, impahla, na yonke into. But but they found out that those people are not police, abantu nje kade bezokwenza ubugebengu obuhleliwe. But now the question is, you stay in Bhalito unless beqamba mangaphi. There is no way in Bhalito abantu bangangena. Okay, there is a way abantu bangangena eBhalito, right? But badlule kanjani ku-security uhlala kwe-complex? Okay, sharp kwasithi besemze ne-security kekeke. And then baphuma nempahla futhi in terms of like what, like furniture, it doesn't make sense anyway. So okay, but bathi ke abantu bafikile bazom-attacker, and abantu abanomona because he's now doing well, he's got money, he's rich, he's got cars, his businesses are doing well. So abantu laba kade beza abantu abazi. But I'm thinking, how many rich people are in Durban just for them to attack uMpumelelo? So he was not alone when he was attacked. Apparently he was with the new wife uMabiyela, who's currently writing ama exam matric, and apparently ubhlukumezekile engqondweni. But anyway, this thing happened izolo. How now uMpumelelo uyazihambela u-right nje, kodwa phela angazi phela abantu aba-react ngendlela ehlukene. He doesn't seem, or he doesn't act like a person who just been raided yabo by abantu wantshontshelwa izinto. Akabonakali ixakekile, akabonakali ephatheke kabuhlungu, if I may say so. He's just all over and he's just posting. But now we don't know, because everything is content. Since nje kwakhokhwa kwa-Facebook yonke into i-content, or they are coming back and they're trying ukuthi ke babuyisele back on the limelight kukhulunywe ngabo. So ke uMselegu ke ubese ngena ke ku-Facebook kubaba wakhe komdala uMusa Mselegu, wasimpela wayencoma indodana yakhe wathi nje hayi indodana yami yenza kahle impela, yikho abantu sebeyenzakalisa beyenza kanje, which is nice, supporting your son, and which is, you should rightfully do so. But I don't think it was important for Mselegu to go and even on Facebook and speak about uMpumelelo and say abantu banomona and the tribe him attack and all of that. But anyway, please make sure you subscribe and you leave a comment. Awuzoleke yena ke uMusa Mselegu kule clip elandela esizikhulumela mathupha ukuthi kwenzakaleni kwindodana yakhe uSibindi angazi uyavule kuyavala ngoba wadla into angaphansi nangaphezulu. Anyway, lalela kuMusa Mselegu ekhuluma ngendodana yakhe ukuthi kwenzakaleni, isithathe silandisa isibeka engathi besikhona nathi eBhalito.
Sanibonani bantu baseNingizimu Afrika, nginosibindi la namqamba lomfana nathi usibindi. Kunjani ndoda amadoda?
Yaphila bandle, ngezwe kuwe.
Ngizwele kuthiwa bongenelo igebengu lapha abantu wana bamaphoyisa nabanye abama secret bezokwenza ubugebengu. Cha, ndoda amadoda ayithi ngikukhuthaze yazi empilweni kuyenzeka kungcwekwe. Kodwa mawudlondlobala ungalindele ukuthi wonke umuntu uzokufisela okuhle ukuthi udlondlobala. Udaba lenzekile abantu bafikile lapha la kuhlala khona indodana yami eBhalito eseniyazi nonke ukuthi eBhalito
ngiyifihla impela.
yeah, so abantu bakuvakashela lapha eBhalito kodwa ke udaba asilihedlishi thina njengabantu bakaMseleku sesilifake kubameli ibona abazokhuluma nabezomthetho because mina ngicabanga ukuthi ubugebengu nje obuhleliwe ukuthi banga implicate ukuthi yazi nawe impumelelo wenza izinto ezingacatshanga ukuthi bezingenziwa umuntu ongangawe manje umona ke ngeke ngwenze lutho cabanga mina kwakuthiwa ngithwele mhlambe wena sekuthiwa unemali awusafani nami kodwa ke hayi indoda le iyaphila nami ngiyaphila siyibambile siyaphambili
Thumbi.
ngiyabonga kakhulu
Thank you.
yeah